This beautifully crafted Brazilian clear quartz wand is pure clarity in crystal form. Long and slender, it fits perfectly in the hand, ideal for intentional energy work and meditation. Along one of its polished facets, you'll notice a delicate, wispy veil, not at the core, but dancing just beneath the surface. It's a quiet testament to the crystal's ancient growth journey, a small reminder of time, pressure, and transformation. Clear quartz is known as the master healer, a universal amplifier of energy, intention, and thought. It clears, balances, and brings clarity to both body and mind. Whether you're holding it for a quiet meditation or using it in your healing practice, this wand is here to support your journey, a gift from Earth, polished with love, ready to become part of your sacred space.